Welcome to Kombi Mania.
Welcome back to Kombi Mania. Today we've hit a milestone. We've got the Kombi on the Rotisserie and we're going to rotate it today and have a good look around it. Underneath it should be very interesting. Let's do it. Right to rotate.
Okay.
Do you want me to grab the side?
No, not here.
I'll just grab the side of it and then you can put it in where it needs to go.
Right. Ready to go. Locked?
No, got to come around a bit more. There we go, now it's locked in. Wowee, look at that. That's all underneath. A little bit of rust in there. The rest is really clean. Front floor needs to be all pulled out. Inner dog leg, a little bit of rust. Bit more rust. Bit of rust around this one. The front section's got lots, but all fixable. Cut it all out, put in new ones. A little bit of rust in there. That section of the chassis rail. That'll be able to be cut out easy. Pretty cool. A little bit of rust in there. And underneath, really good. Bit of rust up in there. Cut that out. Bit more. A little bit in there, been sitting inside. More under there. Bit inside this other wheel well. Is amazingly good. And just a smidge of rust down in there. It's amazing seeing it on the rotisserie. Lots of work to be done. A lot of fun.
Hi guys, Jeff here. This is the work I've done on the rotisserie mounting brackets. It come with this part here. This was extended for about 300mm, 400mm, and cut it off, welded a piece on here, and it went on to the bumper mounting bracket. It's a bit of 10mm steel by 50mm. It's quite solid actually. It turned out very, very good. Now we'll go down the other end and have a look where the rear mount is. This was a bit more of a headache. As you can see, it's mounted in there onto the front gearbox mount, and then onto the rear gearbox mount here too. I did originally have just this one on through here. That's what the stays are for, to stop lateral movement. And it just wasn't strong enough. It was bending the section here. It was jacking up, but it wasn't lifting the Kombi. So this other bracket was put in, or the other bit of square tube, 4mm thick walls, and that holds it very solid. So works very well.
Hi all, welcome back. This is the tray. The tray's in really good nick. No rust, just a little bit of surface rust, which looks great. And that's the rear gate that we found on there temporarily. Jeff's been welding a new corner onto it, which had been rusted out. That's the back of that gate, which looks pretty funky, like the rest of the Kombi.
Let's go.
Giving the Kombi a good wash out, cleaning all the dirt and crud out. Fair bit of dirt has come out of the Kombi. All of this crud has come out of the Kombi. But wow, what a difference it has made. It has cleaned it up a lot. Make cutting the rust out, cleaning everything up a lot easier.
Is that coming out? Out the bottom of the door? I think so.
Wow, lot of dirt coming out of the car. Amazing cleanup.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please drop a like and subscribe, it really helps out support the channel. See ya!